Hi guys, welcome back to Hermione Reads Comics. I'm Hermione, and I read comics. So this is my final video um, for today. I'm gonna have to take some more Afrin. um, um, all right. So we now discover what happens when Billy is not Shazam in outer space. We have never seen Billy in outer space when he is not Shazam. So this was the first time we've seen it. Now, if there has been other times that he's been in outer space and be Billy, please let me know. I would like to know that. So, interesting enough, in the DC animated universe, Billy, as Shazam, has to use a suit in order to breathe, to survive outer space. Um, this is nothing like he is in the comics. And it really ticks me off as a fan of Shazam. I really love this character. This is why I'm reading his comics on the app, because I really love the character of Shazam. And we know that he can survive the vacuum of space as Shazam. But if you don't read the comics and you just look at the DCEU, or DCAU, then you'll be like, oh, well, Shazam needs a suit to be able to survive in space. That is absolutely not true. He does not need a suit to survive space. The comic books show you point blank that when Billy becomes Shazam, he can survive the harsh realities of space. And I really hate that when they do that to people. They're like, oh, they know that you're not going to read the comic, but you're going to watch the show. I really hate that beyond anything. So in issue number 5, Billy goes back to being Billy out in space, and he freezes to death. Oh, he almost freezes to death. And what happens, he's saved by Mary. And and Mary goes and uses her ability to say Shazam to get Billy to change back to Shazam so that he can not die. And literally, there's a battle between these gorillas and this bee queen and everything. And this guy with little fairy wings, he can just expand. That was so gross. That was so gross. Like, ooh, that was gross. And then Billy meets the people in his head. You know, the ones that are causing him to, like, lose control and just not act like Shazam. Not act like the hero that Superman knows he is. And the ending of that 5th issue, I was not ready for. I'm like, I'm not telling you what it is, but it was like, what the hell? Huh? I gotta read issue 6. I have to read issue 6. But I'll be reading that. I'll probably end up reading it tonight and then just upload it tomorrow. But yeah, I really have to figure out, like, what is going on here? What is going on here? But we will. We will. Oh, man. So I gave it 5 stars on Goodreads because it was a really good issue. I must also add one more thing from that comic. The moon was this way. What? And then Shazam had to get it back to the way it was. I'm like, well. but they did a beautiful little slit shot of Earth. It was beautiful. All right, so I'm going to end it here, and everything. So yeah, I'm drinking my tea and enjoying my comics. So I will see you guys around.